Hello, hello, it's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. So I have been a busy girl. I have been organizing. Eek! Yes, I've been organizing. I got the idea from Celeste over at Woodland Inspired. She inspired me so on some organization. And so I was organizing all my licensed designs. I use licensed designs so I can combine them into digitals and make new digitals with them. Licensed designs are often beautiful pieces of art that are digitally done, or sometimes painted and then pictured. And they have fonts and all kinds of things. I haven't invested in fonts, but I have invested in some licensed designs so that I can use those to create digitals, because I am not somebody who can draw faces and bodies, and I can draw the backs of them in a silhouette type thing. But anyway, so I was organizing them. It took me all day long. I didn't even get out of my pajamas all day. Well, that's not quite true. I think it came to 1:30 and I was like, okay, I gotta get in some clothes. So I got dressed and continued on with what I was doing, but it was intense work. But hold on a minute and I will get what I've done and show you.